What do you think? I'm funny dog?
Wait a minute. Fill my cup, put some nigga in it.
When I'm relaxing mode.
Act casual.
Please help me. I am falling.
Katie, what are you doing?
You can't touch this.
What I mean when I say it's terrifying when my dog opens a door.
Oh my god, that is horrifying.
Somebody once told me the
Smile. Smile.
Good boy.
Smile. Smile.
If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin.
Times, but all poo-poo times are pee-pee times.
Got nothing in my brain. Got nothing in my brain.
A little context if you care to listen. I find myself in a shit position.